Okay, so this was my attempt at a Raspberry Pi robot. As you can see, there's the Raspberry Pi. Here's the board from the maplins robot. Here is the power pack underneath. Here are the two motors. Only one of them is attached at the minute. Here is the USB hub. Here is the 6 volts, 4 large batteries, and the rest was built out of mechano. Right. And here is the 6-axis controller. If I press the X, nothing happens. If I press the circle, nothing happens, because there's so much weight. But if I lift... hold on a minute. If I lift up... oh. If I lift this and press the X, you can hear the wheel spinning. Right there. Forwards and backwards. Thanks for watching.